Hello, I am from AL-Motakamel Global for trading and contracting. Today I'm going to talk about Resort, which is the ERP system of Global AL-Motakamel. I'll start by signing in. This is my file. So let's begin. This is the special edition, which is basically the full package of the ERP system Resort. So I'm having all the 11 sections available for use. And this is Windows Vista type. Obviously it can work for Windows Vista XP or even the earlier softwares, but the interface is the Vista interface at the moment. So this is the desktop, and it has a start button just like the Windows start button, which has all the programs, the 11 sections, and the recent options that you have chosen. And you got the open, which is just like the any Windows program. You can open the old files. And this is the resort options and the control panel and all of the different options that you have in Resort. And just like the Windows start button, you have the shutdown and log off. To begin with, this is the time. And this is the new file. This is the first step that you will be using whenever you're opening a new file for the company you're working in, or whenever you're using Resort. So let's say you have already done the new file. Here you can open old files. As you can see, I have several files. Here we can change the users, because you can have multiple users at the same time for the same program. And this is the Resort option. And this is the search. Just like any search engine, this is a search engine for Resort. And here is where we can change the language. As Resort is a multiple language system and multiple currency as well, you can change the language in just in a touch of a button. So we have 3 toolbars: the top toolbar and the sidebar and the bottom bar. Mainly you will be using the bottom toolbar, which is for accounting. This one is for accounting. As you know, Resort ERP system has 11 sections. First of all, this is the accounting section. This is the stocking or warehouse section. This is the employee section, which is relevant for the human resource as well as salary. This is the point of sale. This is industry. This is transportation, workshop, maintenance, custom clearance, renting. As can be seen, all of the 11 sections have a similar desktop, which is cards, charts, operations, reports, and management. It has been done in this way so that any user can find it easy to operate all the 11 sections. You begin off with the cards. You put in the information for each type of card, and then you have the charts where you can see those the cards that you have created, and the operations where you operate with those cards. Then you have the reports. It's a serial type of actions where you have a card, then it goes to a chart, then it goes to an operation, and you'll see the results in a report type information. And this is the management, where you can have the options for the current section. As you can see, we have multiple reports page. We have the day and date, and the miladi date and the hijri date, and the file name, the computer you're using, the version of the ERP system, Resort, and Enterprise. This is the desktop, and this is the bottom toolbar for that. We have an accounting and stocking, warehouse, point of sale, employee, salary, and all the 11 sections above as well. So what's the use of them in top and bottom? In bottom, you choose them for the desktop so that you can have them here and work on them. So let's say, for example, you're working the point of sale, and you want to add a card in the accounting section. While you're here in the point of sale, you can quickly go to the above toolbar and click on accounting and click on account card. So the use of the upper toolbar is that you can move quickly between sections without changing the desktop. For the sidebar, as we have spoken before, we have cards, charts, operations, and reports. For the sidebar, we have the cards here for all the sections, all the cards of all the sections, and you have the directories for all the sections as well, the operations for all the section, and reports. You got financial, distribute and collecting, analysis and statistics, administration, tools and maintenance, and the control panel. It's a really basic program and can be easily operated. Well then, that's enough for today.